Here are 3 things you should always do when making an offer to purchase a home. Most buyers don't realize that a signed offer is a legal contract, meaning if you back out, it causes the seller to lose money and you could be sued. But you don't have to worry about that if your contract is structured correctly. First thing is to have contingencies. These are clauses within the contract so that if something goes wrong or you change your mind, you can back out of the deal and get your earnest money deposit back. The second thing is to make sure that there are buyer default clauses within the contract. So if you happen to back out after your contingencies are completed, the worst thing you're putting at risk is your earnest money deposit, but you would have no further liability. The third thing is ask for a home inspection. Even though the home may look absolutely perfect, there are things that you can't see with the naked eye. So you always want to have a professional home inspector do a thorough home inspection for you. If you're looking to purchase a home, comment "buy" in the comments below, and I'll send you a copy of my free buyer's guide.